Hello guys! Welcome to this channel, Life with Lai. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Wawa. Kasi, we drove from DC, tapos pauwi na. And, gustong kumain ng mga bata. So, ito, sabi ko, oh, may Wawa. Sige, daan nga tayo doon. And then, we saw this. I saw this. Nag-order sila, and then in-order ko din to. It's a grilled chicken na you make your own. Sorry, ang gulo. Tingnan nga natin kung ano siya, anong itsura niya sa loob. But then I know it's nice because I made my own. Eto, paano to? Okay. So, meron siyang yung kinuha ko, grilled chicken siya, tapos merong, you know, I made my own. I build my own sandwich all the time. So, lahat, meron siya mga veggie. Tapos, I love pickles. Kaya nga, nagyan ko ng pickles. So, is it worth buying this? You know how much is this? It's only like $5. And you got your sandwich. Make your own. Build your own sandwich. Which is, I think it is worth buying. Nag-i-enjoy na siyang kumain. She got the hoagies. Masarap. It's good. It's good, right? So, she built her own hoagies din. Okay, so, yun lang. I think we're halfway home. Tapos, we felt hungry. Naggasolina. This is Wawa. Naggasolina, and then we got our own lunch. Okay, see you guys. So, yun lang. We're gonna drive another 1 hour and be home. It's kind of like cloudy. Medyo siya, parang uulan. Wag lang sana kasi I hate driving na pag ulan. Okay then, bye for now. Onions din. It's really good. Look good. For sure yummy. Question is, maubos ko kaya? All right.